Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to listen and practice of our English through a beautiful short moral story. So, listen very carefully. This story tells us how intelligence can save us from the worst situations. Once upon a time, in a jungle far away, there lived a lion. He used to kill about 2-3 animals every day for his meal. The animals were worried and went to discuss this with the lion. He agreed not to kill any other animal if one of them voluntarily comes to him every day. This went on for long. One day it was a rabbit's turn. As he was on his way, he sees an old pond and hatches a plan to kill the lion. He goes to the lion and tells him that there is another lion who claims to be stronger than him. The lion asks the rabbit to meet said lion. The rabbit takes him to the pond and points to it, saying that was where the other lion lived. The lion jumps into the pond, mistaking his own reflection for the other lion, and dies. Moral of the story is, wisdom wins might. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.